Now here is a bird on an electric line. I'm looking at his bum right now. 5 seconds ago he was chirping at me. But what's interesting is he threw this on the ground and it just flew and landed right at my feet. Now what is the statistical probability that a feather from the sky will fall and land at your feet? Now here's the interesting component. On July 1st, which is Canada's birthday, and I'm born in 1967, which is also 1867, 100 years prior, is the Dominion of Canada. It's important for Canada, the land of our historic forefathers. The probability of it falling on the ground is practically near slim, and it flew all the way from the sky, and I'm gonna reenact it, and it fell to the ground like that. So if you believe in statistics, great. If you don't, then it's the sky. So everything about the story of Hannah is actually very, very irregular, and it's not made up. It just happened 5 seconds ago. What is the probability? And he's paparazzi not friendly. He went into hiding, but he was chirping away, and he gave me this little feather. Now, when was the discovery made? That's another thing. On July 1st, 2013. It is actually a native word, Kanata. So the question is, do you believe in God?